guys, welcome to my channel. Guess what we are doing? We are on another road trip here. Nasa na nga ba tayo ngayon? We're on I think in between Tallahassee and Pensacola. We're just getting gas right now. Yeah, we're going to Austin, Texas. I don't know if I told you, but I decided I deserve a break from working too hard. So I took PTO for like a week. So yeah, it's almost 10 o'clock. We left the house around 7 o'clock and we should be there tomorrow by 9 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, we're just gonna go inside the bathroom. Just gonna use the bathroom. So I will see you guys when we get to our hotel. Bye. What are you doing?
It bit me.
You're so dumb. Hi guys, time check. It's almost 1 o'clock and we just got here in
turn left.
Louisiana. Good morning. We made it to Houston, Texas.
Continue on US 290 West for 67 miles.
Now we're in Houston. Do we have a problem, Houston?
We did.
How many more hours to get to the hotel? 2.5. Hey guys, so we decided to stop by and get breakfast here in the middle of nowhere. Mr. Driver is hungry, so we're gonna get him some good diner Texas food. Here it is. Look, we're like in somewhere, I don't know where we at. It's like a gas station, but it turned into a cafe and bakery, I guess.
Just a tiny bite.
No, you can keep your carbs.
I think I gave you the wrong.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So yes, we had a great breakfast. I'm gonna show you. Oh yeah, that's nice. So this is our car for the week. And yes, I really like this place. Very friendly and no mask required. And Christian had so much food he had to take it home or to go. Okay guys, we're in Austin, Texas, and we're about maybe 10 minutes away from our hotel. There's Filipino food there. CARABAO Express. That's cool. Maybe we should go there and find something. Oh, they're gonna have rice though. Okay, we made it as our hotel. We have so much stuff for this week. Hey guys, we are finally here at our hotel room. We are staying at Aloft. It's one of the Marriott hotels, just like you know, the hotel that we stayed in Chattanooga the last time. Yeah, let me give you a little tour. Christian went to, you know, park the car. So let me see. Let me give you a little tour here. It's, yeah, again, it's pretty modern and trendy, I think. Pretty cute place. Let's see. That's the door. Here's the bathroom. There's a little fridge there. Okay, cabinet, safe, coffee machine, pretty normal things. Toilet. Cute little wallpapers there. That's the shower. Okay, so here's, yeah, there's like a little desk here. Aw, cute phone. Look at that, guys. Really cute. Oops, hope I didn't kill anyone. Here's the bed. We got a king size bed this time. Oh, that's pretty cute. What else? Then I'm gonna have to put up all our clothes in the drawer. In the cabinet. Oh, there's no drawers, but their little cabinet thing. I guess that's the city view. I don't know if you've heard, but we were gonna go here last week, but then there was a snowstorm, so we had to postpone our trip to this week. The snowstorm, they actually lost their power, so we had to postpone the trip to this week. Yeah, I don't think you can open this. That's the shower. There is an ironing board here. There's the iron. And I really like this cute clock here. Aw. Yeah, and that's it. I love it. Okay, so that's gonna be, you know, our room or our home for the next few days. And I'm just gonna go wait, you know, I'm just gonna wait for Christian. Just taken up. We've been out for at least, yeah, I've been out probably for like almost 30 hours, and Christian has been out longer than that because he woke up like at 4 a.m. yesterday. Yeah, so we will see. We'll take a nap and maybe we'll try to get dinner later and show you some more of this, you know, city or this state. I'll see you guys. Bye. It's day 2 here in Texas, and Christian is about to go to work, so I don't know what to do today. I might go walk around the town center here, or whatever they call this place, the Domain, Austin, Texas. I'm gonna go window shop. I might go to the gym later, see if it's open now. Good morning, Christian. Why are you not looking at the camera, Christian?
I'm not here for your
Look at
amusement. I
me.
have to work. I can't even put my ring on.
Oh, let's see. Poor guy.
I have to wear it on my right hand. Does that make me gay?
No. No, you need to wear it in the left hand.
Uh-oh, I can't get it off my right hand.
Okay, babe. Bye. Have a good day at work.
I love you.
Oh, you're not gonna kiss me?
I have to wear a mask.
Uh-huh.
It could be contagious.
Mama. Bye. Drive safe. This town is crazy. I'm gonna go change and go to the gym. Bye.
Bye.
Hi guys, we're about to go get dinner. We're gonna try a barbecue, or this barbecue place here in Texas.
Your destination is on the right.
You gotta have barbecue here in Texas. Hi guys. Hi Christian. Say hi Christian. Where are we going?
Omelet tree.
Yep. We're gonna go get breakfast.
Tree. Omelet tree.
And we're going to see the Capitol building here in Austin. I thought you said it's in San Antonio.
You believe everything I say.
Shut up. Okay, so the first restaurant that we went to was closed because of some kind of plumbing issue. So we found this another restaurant here. It's called Stiles Diner. Let's see how it's gonna be.
Crazy, I guess. There's a World War II memorial right there.
Is it? Okay. We made it here, guys. The downtown city of Austin, Texas. Okay, so what's in here? Good. Okay, it looks like there is the Capitol. Oh my god. Look at
North Dakota State Capitol is like, it looks like that building that says 823 on it.
yeah.
Thermopylae had her messenger of defeat. The Alamo had none. It means that they all died,
Yeah.
but they didn't consider it a defeat.
That's so beautiful.
This was constructed in 1888.
1888.
Yeah, so it's 140 years old.
Sucks we can't get in. I want to see inside.
They added an underground extension in 1994.
How did they have those technologies back then to build this?
There's an architect who came up with it and they built it.
Philippine Islands.
Yeah, that's it. It's for the Spanish American War.
Ah.
We had these trees all over the place in St. Louis.
What's that tree?
I don't know, but it's not a birch.
Yeah, birch trees are skinny. You're okay.
Walking around.
No, we're about to go back to the hotel. And there's the beautiful Texas Capitol.
When was it made, babe?
18 something. Is it 17 something?
1888.
Oh, there you go. It's just so beautiful here. Looks like we're in a movie, right? I like the dried grass. Good morning, guys, or I should say good afternoon. It's already 12 o'clock, past 12 o'clock, and today is March the 2nd. This is our fifth day here in Austin, Texas. Christian went to work early today, like around 5, and I'm getting hungry, so I am gonna go try to find something to eat, and also I would like to show you where we stayed. Like, we are at this place called the Domain. So the hotel is basically in this big town center. So yeah, let's go ahead and walk and I'll show you how it looks like here. I had to go back to my room. I forgot my mask. Oh geez. Okay, we're going back now. There you go. Ooh. It is pretty cold here today. But I looked at Google the weather here for this week. It was warmer, so most of my outfits are dresses, and I had to go get jeans yesterday for me because it's pretty cold. I don't know what this is called, but I know they have something like this in Singapore or somewhere in Asia, a park that has this thing. Pretty neat. It's Tex-Mex. Karen here. I just want to close my Austin, Texas vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this video, the capital. I'm so sorry if we did not do that much sightseeing videos, but I hope you enjoyed the food in Austin, Texas. Hoping that will, guide you when you go to Austin, Texas. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Click the red button below. Please subscribe, and I will see you in my next adventure or in my next video. Thank you.